Welcome to another makeup tutorial from me, but this might be a real makeup tutorial because I'm going to be recreating a look. So calling all Swifties, and there's like a lot of them. I want to create the Midnight's eye look. This album was a grower. When you compare it to her past works, like my favorite Taylor album is, okay wait, I don't know if I like this angle. My favorite Taylor album is Folklore because it was so like new and it was so odd, and I feel like it's something Taylor always wanted to do, so it was so refreshing to see her do Folklore and Evermore, and it was very successful. But okay, let's look. I'm gonna take this picture out. Yes, okay. Taylor is like, she's a Cancer moon. I need to put on some makeup because I'm just going to be talking about Taylor Swift because I kind of really like Taylor Swift. So we're going to go in with this blue shade first. Taylor Swift is a mastermind in the sense that she has a Cancer moon. So she is in touch with the emotions of the general public. What is your favorite song off Midnight's? My first favorite song was Antihero. That is a good pop song, but my all-time favorite is Maroon. I freaking love Maroon. Like that kind of sexy, deep, drunk on wine, but hungover, but you're okay with it because you're laying next to someone who you just picked up at the party in lavender haze, and you're waking up in their bed the next morning. I love it. And like your voice is kind of shot because you've just been taking shots all night. I love Maroon. Okay, I don't know if that did anything. Like natural. Like I see a taupey crease color, nothing up to the brow bone, and it gets really blue in there. And there's like a really small, it's a black liner, and it looks even blue. I love, oh my god. Taylor Swift knows how to create a project. Like her songs, that's what she's known for. But you have to know how to package those songs. Like how do you make someone interested in listening to your music? You have to like, it's like decorating a cake. The songs is the dough, and she makes really good dough, like the actual cake. But to make someone want to buy it, you have to do like pretty frosting, decorate it with flowers and butterflies, and just decorate it. She knows how to decorate her stuff. It's like packaged very well. Like she got indie sleeves, Tumblr girls, 70s fashion. You know who else is doing 70s? Oh my god, I just noticed this camera is upside down. Oh my god. I don't care. Harry Styles. Harry Styles is doing that. But I was looking at the pictures, and if she is Scorpio rising, that means she has Virgo midheaven. So what Taylor does is very perfect and very like minimal. Like all her stuff is so minimal. Like if you look at Taylor Swift, she is never like campy or in your face like a Katy Perry, which has Leo midheaven. Put some eyeshadow freaking on. Yes. This blue. I want to do some lips. So she has that like orange lip that was popular with Tumblr girls, and I have an orange lip balm, so let's start off with that. Let's go with some blue. Okay. And then let's blend that. Ooh, that's cool. Putting that blue lipstick just like cooled down the color, and it looks like naturally cold lips. Should I put a gloss on top? I don't like that. Taylor's image is very perfect. It's never going to be messy. It's never going to be dirty. It's never going to be grungy. That's why it was so cool to see her like Bleachella era after 1989 and before Reputation. We never seen Taylor Swift like not perfect and like messy and having fun. I wish we would have got an album with that kind of grungy look. Oh my god, was 1989 10 years ago? Okay, no, 1989 was actually like 30 years ago, but the album was only like, is it only 10 years ago? But with 10 years behind you, you gain your confidence and you don't judge yourself so harshly. So I think it would be the perfect time to have a grungy Taylor Swift. Just dipping in some what did I say? Dipping into some purple and some blue to give that. We've been smoking vapes with Lana Del Rey and Jack Antonoff all night while recording Snow on the Beach kind of look. Do you think Taylor Swift vaped with Lana Del Rey in the studio? Imagine that. Like, we live in a world where like Lana Del Rey and Taylor Swift are like smoking together. It's so weird to picture, but I could kind of like picture it. Oh, there's no mirror on that side. I'm gonna use that as my liner. Just gonna buff it out. Okay, I was like, is there anything coming off? But there is. So I done basically a little oval shape over here. I'm gonna set that with a dark purple and some blue. If you can't do wing liner, just try doing oval shapes. Like, get a domed brush and just work with that and make your eyes like intense. Just look straight and use that domed brush. You don't even have to blend. You can just tap this brush along your lash line and it gives you this wing liner look, but without trying too hard. Like a perfect skinny little line to me is like trying too hard. And that's not my vibe. And also, if you don't have the skill level, just use like small little shapes. What is your favorite 3 a.m. track? My first favorite was The Great War. So me and Selena Gomez had something in common. But I listened to it 2 days ago. And my next favorite track, my first one was The Great War, and then I loved Bigger Than the Whole Sky, because that is such a John Mayer song. And then Should've, Could've, Would've, another John Mayer song. Like, I love it. Like, it's so cool to hear Taylor Swift talk about her youth and like the age difference between being 19 and dating someone who's 30. And you don't know nothing yet. You don't know about the world at 19. And writing a song from the perspective of growing up to be like 30 already and looking back and acknowledging that your girlhood and your womanhood was stolen from you and you're aching and screaming for it back. I love that kind of representation of you gain that knowledge with growth. And that's what's really cool to see Taylor Swift grow like that. Okay, I think I'm done on my lips. And 19. Now I'm ready to go stream Hits Different on Spotify because we can now. I was streaming it illegally on SoundCloud.